everyone. We're in Montalcino, Ragnaie. My name is Riccardo. We are going to show you what we do on a typical day of harvest, both in the vineyards and the cellar. We're going to show you how we make our three wines, Brunello, Rosso, and Chianti Colli Senesi. So we're going to start from the vineyards. We look at the grapes, we look at the way we pick them, the way we transport them to the cellar, and then we will see what we do in the cellar before all the grapes are put to ferment in the vats. So let's go. We are at Ragnaie in one of our Brunello vineyards. This is all Sangiovese, of course. We're at about a little less than 600 meters elevation. This vintage was quite difficult. We had a lot of rain, lots of humidity, even though here is quite ventilated. We suffer less from humidity. We also had hail that we can see here in one of the leaves that was beat up by hail. The grapes are still looking good. We should get some sun, so we should be all right for this vintage, at least in this high elevation part. We pick everything by hand. Everything is put into crates, into small crates, and we transport everything right away to the cellar. So after we pick the grapes, we bring them into the cellar, and we start the selection of the bunches. So this is the first one of the sorting tables where we put a whole bunch. Something like this, there is a little bit of rot, we throw it away. Then we throw away things like leaves. We do a little bit of selection with the scissors. This one goes down. This particular vineyard is not really the best this year. It's been a very rainy vintage, so we have a little bit of problems with mold. We do our best to clean. This is the second part of our selecting process. After the first table, we do 100% destemming, and we have the single berries here in the second table. And here we do a selection. We take out everything we can that shouldn't go in the vats, like leftover stems, leaves, insects, and underripe grapes, whatever we can that shouldn't go into the fermenting table. And then we can see that the single berries go into crusher. We do a light crush, and then they go into the vat.